What's the song?
Well, me and David here are going to be singing some Christmas songs tonight. Because I don't know if we do have the open mic next Monday, right?
Yeah?
That is happening.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if I'm going to be here next Monday, so.
I honestly don't know if I'm going to be here next Monday.
Right. So sing some Christmas songs tonight.
Open mic?
You know, Christmas starts next Monday, but it goes for 12 days. Of course, we won't be here on the 2nd. No, the 1st, I mean, because that's the first Monday.
Is it?
Yeah. Time is a black circle.
We might have to sing Christmas songs during the 5th meeting.
When's that?
That's after Christmas. Catholics have it for one day, most other Christians have it for a month or so.
And we'll cross that bridge when we get there. If we
Burn
get
the
there.
bridge.
If we get there. This is a Enya song. It's called Trains and Winter Rains.
Really cool.
You ready? City streets passing by, underneath stormy skies, neon signs in the trains rolling by, once again someone cries, trains and winter rains, no going back, no going home. Trains across the plains and in skyward every time it's the same. One more night, one more train. Everywhere, empty roads. Where they go, no one knows. Trains and winter rains, no going back, no going home. Trains across the